So, factors affecting development. Three factors which is affect modern development. Psychologists point to age-related changes, universal, group specific, and individual. Universal changes. Universal changes are changes all individuals undergo as biological organisms. In other words, all physical changes that happen from infancy to adulthood are programmed and are parts of the plan of the physical body. Some changes are universal, arising from shared experiences that eventually serve as shared patterns of normal experiences. So these are the kinds of universal changes. Group specific change are changes manifested and observed from members growing up together in a particular group and hence influenced heavily by the dominant culture. This includes a system of meaning customs, language, values, attitudes, traits, laws, beliefs, moral guidelines, and physical artifacts like toys, works of arts, and dwelling. This complex and diversified totally of symbols and meaning are handed down from one generation to another and shape the development of individual. So the next one is individual changes. These are changes typically as particular individuals and which result from unique and shared events. Every individual is unique, a product of a unique combination of genes which sets him apart from anyone. This attribute to genetic differences. Other individual differences, um, according to child development theorists, are the result of the timing of a developmental event. They are the critical period and the sensitive period. So the critical period. The critical period is the stage of which an individual is the most sensitive to the presence of absence of some particular experiences. So the sensitive period. The sensitive period is it is where the stage of at which a child may be particularly responsive to specific forms of experiences or particularly influenced by their absence. So, typical development. It is another kind of individual change. This kind of development is harmful to the individual in that it divides from the typical or normal development path. So development. Development is a continuous process involving small and gradual change over time and in difficult steps of stages. This some developmentalists argued over the role played by individual or contextual influences. As it is, they agree that cultural context is a factor of any phases of development. So that's all. Thank you. I am Sabong Marine M.